So today I'm going to show you how to remove the thermostat on a 535 N55 engine. You can do this in a 335 too. I believe they're placed in the same location. The thermostat's right here, like literally. Here's your oil cap. If you just follow with my finger down here, there it is. It's connected with this, that, and this. You need clamps. This is a little, push up mechanism. So as soon as you push the little pin up, you'll be able to actually remove that hose. And this one is just it's actually clamped. So that one's clamped, so all you gotta do is just unscrew it and loosen it up, and then you can take it off. So in order to do this, you need to take off the fan. And the fan has these little mechanisms right here. So it's actually placed on top of this. Just push this back. This one right here, the ones in the middle, push it back, and then you'll be able to unlock it and slowly move up the fan up and remove it. But first, disconnect it. And you also got to remove that plate right there, the one that you see right there underneath the fan. That plate goes right here. There's some bolts here, two bolts here, so right here, and yeah, that's about it. And there you go. You gotta have access to the thermostat. Now you can remove it and replace it. So there's actually 4 connections. So this is how it sits. You have to have this connection out where I'm touching with my pinky, then with my thumb, then this one as well, and the one in the back. I took off the charge pipe so I can get some extra room, so I can take off the hose that's connected to here, which is the one closest to the engine, which is right there. That was the hardest one. Also, you see this right here? There's a bolt right here where my pinky finger's at. That bolt is gonna be one annoying ass, okay, excuse my language, it's gonna be one annoying bolt to take off. But I took it off. You just gotta maneuver some lines here and there, get an extension. That's what I did. And other than that, everything's perfectly fine. The new one's in there. I'm putting everything back, and then I'm gonna be starting with something else.